So, tip number one, start before you leave. Now, with social media and online events, this is getting easier and easier by the day. Before you make your move physically, and once you have decided you are going to move and where you're going to move to, start making friends online. There are tons of groups on Facebook, on Instagram. There are people you can follow who are there and are giving tips and etc. And you can start connecting with these people and making and interacting with them and making as many connections as possible, because some of these connections will gel and will create friendships, others won't. So the as many people as you can connect, the better. It is also good to have scheduled about 3 to 5 events, coffees, lunches, just meetups with people that you have connected with online during your first or second week after you arrive. This will make it easier to settle in, because you will have already people that you can go to ask sometimes practical questions. Where can I buy this, or how can I get that? And it will also have something for you to look forward to. If you have kids, you can do that through the school, for example, that many of the schools have help for parents that are arriving and other parents who are also foreigners. So you can get that done through schools as well. So tip number one is start before you even leave.